So I guess they're asking here, this is from 11.1, I think number 5, they're asking, how to find critical values. This has really, been in several sections now. So, critical values are based on alpha, and it's a two-tailed test. So based on alpha and two-tailed test, so, this what the normal curve's gonna look like. This area in red is 1 minus alpha, or 1 minus 0.01. The area in red's gonna be 0.99. So since alpha's 0.01, it's a two-tailed test. It's what we have here. You want the critical values, these values right here. So you go in the stat calculator, normal calculator. We want between. You find an area between by 1 minus alpha. Since it's Z-score, you leave these alone and just put 0.99 and you click compute, and it gives you the two critical values here that you're being asked for. Hope that helps.